Gado Sawapu Kegi. And they say no marama, Bonama. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Weakness to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Weakness to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. If you like Sala Yefe. If you like wash her clothes. Person when I put in house for other, I put somebody kigachi. If you like cook for her. If you like love her well. Person when I put in house for other.
Me. Well, okay.
My husband, what is it? Who got you upset?
Leave my presence now. Now, I mean now.
Dimoma, talk to me.
I said leave my presence. Don't you have ears? Huh? What can be done? Eh? Are they fancy?
The concept of love is founded under deception. It should be found under perjury. But who will pay the price? Look at me. For the first time in my life, I am genuinely in love with a man who would never see anything. Will I ever get a chance? Will I ever get a chance to at least enjoy life? Once! Before sickle cell anemia snatches life out of me, will I? The same drinking and smoking that I resorted to in order to fight depression is now taking turn to kill me faster. And what did he leave me in return? He left me with a negative addiction as a souvenir.
Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it.
Hey, baby girl. Babes, how are you? It's been a while, oh. Eh? No calls, no chat from you, and I began to wonder if what the problem could be. Have I offended you? Life has offended me. What are you talking about? Abigail, I'm going to die. Yes, it will not be long and I will die. Can you stop talking like that? Stop being negative. No. How long do you think my father will keep transfusing blood for me? How long? Now the old man has gone ahead to chase his dreams of power. Yes, I mean, since he couldn't get a position at the National Assembly, he has decided to do it locally. So you see, I will never for once in my life get a chance to be loved. I am going to die, Abigail.
Stop talking like that. Besides, who love help? Come on.
You're not a sickler. You have a longer lifespan than I do. And one day, Abigail, one day you will find a man who would call you his wife and love you for who you are. But I will never get that chance. A chance of a child to suckle on my breast and call me mother.
Then get one of your random boys to impregnate you. It's that simple. Come on.
Abigail, you're a bad influence. Get out.
I think you're in a bad mood.
Wait. I met a man. And I think I'm genuinely in love with him.
You have a boyfriend now?
I wish I can call him that. I don't think he sees any good thing in me.
And who could that be?
Nonsense. Why? Ordinary.
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worrying, yo, and do the needful. But if I can tell you have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Have big mess to clean up. Do something.
Dog vam.
This is different.
Silly. I have fear. Now this kingdom. Obudano. Not the way I feel now.
If you like go, Sara Yefe. If you like go, watch her.
Darling, what happened?
Can you imagine? Imagine Ordinary double crossed me like a gangster and threatened me with a gun.
Ordinary did what?
He brought out a gun, pointed it at my legs and said that he will make sure that I did not ascend to the throne. How? Ordinary
does not underestimate the sting of a scorpion. I will visit him with Ubi, the most venomous serpent in my altar. You will follow him up physically, while I follow him up spiritually. We will crush Ordinary until you become the crown king of Akuku Igbo.
You see why I can count on you. I always count on you because I know you stand by me all the time. Odinawa does not know what he's walking into. But by the time we combine forces, he will know. You see, I regret. Why did I not see you and marry you before I married that witch? Why?
Don't worry. Very soon, things will take better shape.
I know. And when I become the crown king, you will become the crown queen. Together, we shall rule the kingdom. Hey!
I love you.
What will I say? What will I say? Eh? I love you too. I love you.
I have to be on my way right now.
Okay.
I was communing with Ojerike, the great deity, when your call came in. So I had to come attend to you urgently.
After you. Odinawa will hear from us. He will hear from us. Whoever that dares me in this kingdom. Woto. It's not gonna be.
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different.
This is not what I'm looking for.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for Charles Darwin theory of evolution.
What about it?
It's going to get it. Please. Growing up the Shire as a member of the British family. No, this is not it.
Not take the word seriously for the show and voice. And his values the word.
No, not this one.
People.
Okay, The original species may never have been written, let alone published. Yes, this is it. This is what I need.
Hi. Zadek. I've been calling you, but you've not been taking my calls. Why?
I'm sorry. I've been really busy. I'm studying for my MSc exams.
Wait. Is it the one that's been messing with your emotions? What is it about his antiquated lifestyle that you found so pleasing?
I beg your pardon? Were you talking to me?
Zadek, please, can we go somewhere else? You know, somewhere outside this environment and talk, just talk.
So, what's wrong with this place?
Oh yes, everything is wrong with this outmoded environment for a soon-to-be princess of this land to discuss.
Now listen and listen good. This is my life and not yours. Alright? It is not within your principles to make decisions for me. If you have something to say, I suggest you go ahead and say it. Else, kindly go to your place of comfort. Because I like this place. It is my humble abode. Excuse me.
What effrontery? Did he just walk out on you? Hey.
I don't know. I'm amazed that it's God's. I am. I'm amazed that it's God's.
You should be more flabbergasted than amazed. Come on. Please, can we get her from this place?
It's all yours. The
I heard everything. I heard everything. So it has gotten to the point where you can no longer confide in your wife on issues that bothers you. You left me here and went ahead to call that witch, Emembolu, to talk to. Why?
Do you know why I will pardon you? Because the joy of Emembolu's presence is still on the atmosphere. Otherwise.
Why are you hurting me? What have I done to you?
Look at her. Look at her. Marrying you was a mistake. Believe me. I married you out of youthfulness. But do you know why I have not divorced you? I don't want to divorce you because it may have a negative impact on me becoming the king. That is why. Otherwise, I would have thrown you out of this house long ago.
I gave you everything. I had been supportive.
Listen, knowing Emembolo gave me riches. And she's helping me to grab the power. Be careful. The moment I ascend this throne, I will throw you out. Like I said, what can you offer? Nothing. So, sit here and enjoy the privilege of living in my house. For now. Very soon, Awada. Yeah.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need. I'll be more. I'll be more. And you go, I'll be more. Maria, I'll be more.
What? What is it?
Trust me when I say that your involvement with that boy is so condescending.
You know, Abigail, I honestly don't know what I was thinking. Yes, you know, sometimes I feel like the itinerant chattering of love and attachment I feel towards him are mere illusions.
You must not have anything to do with that boy. He's not of your class, neither of your type. Do you know that Stone is better than that boy?
I just need someone. I need a guy that I can, you know, go out with, sit with, and just chat. You know, and sometimes in touch and just smooch for intervals. The feeling I want is not something temporal. I want something permanent.
Whether permanent, temporal, Stone is better than that rat.
But you know too well that Stone is a gold digger. Yes, I mean, that guy is only after what I'm going to spend on him.
And what makes you think that Zedek is a saint? Forget about the pretense, babe. This is how they appear in the first place.
Okay then, let's go and see Stone.
No, I have an appointment. I want to go and see my boyfriend and I don't want to keep him waiting.
Your boyfriend?
Mm-hmm. I have a boyfriend. So, it's a just for another day. See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I am not joking. He threatened me with a gun. Ha! Okay.
So, with that attitude of his, so what are you going to do about that is disrespectful and threatening acts?
Of course, I am going to take him up with the government. And then allow Emembolu to take care of other things spiritually. Okay, I know, dear.
with the way you're handling things and your involvement with Emembolo, do you think it is right?
Nobody should advise me about Emembolo. Nobody. When I become a king, I shall make Emembolo the custodian of Ani. Yes, the deity of our kingdom.
Okikan is a feminine deity. But the custodian remains Aniobonam, the son of Anezoba. Emembolu is the custodian of Fujirike, the god of love, and cannot be in charge of our great deity, Okikan.
Ichie, I used to think that you always stand by me. For now, I'm beginning to see you as a traitor.
Me?
Yes. Well, my decision is final. I will exalt Emembolo's position. Tradition is commercial right now, and you should know. Please, let us talk about another thing. I saw Nwankwo the other day, and
It's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will, love is what I need. I'll be more. I'll be more. And you go, I'll be more. Maria, I'll be more. Love more. And you go,
Some explanation for the universe which you might...
Hi, Metizemi.
Hi.
I was heading back to your house.
My outmoded environment, you mean?
Oh, please, forget about all of that. The statement was made out of competition.
And who the hell is competing with you?
It's not you. You know I saw you first.
And what?
I got jealous when Kosi brought me to see you. So all I had to do was to discourage her.
So you had to make me feel like that because what were you going to gain?
I just wanted her to lose interest in you so I can rightfully have you back to myself. I'm sorry. I want you.
Abigail! What are you doing here? I thought you said you were going to see your boyfriend.
I'm here to tighten up some loose ends. And what happened? What's with the bruises?
Is she okay?
I don't know.
That's how she goes about making trouble, especially when she's high on something.
No, I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to Mike.
You know what you are? A shimmy turncoat. Google that.
Charity begins at home. To be what was in the Madinanya. Look at those of what put kegi. And then see no Marama, Wanama. Ongana kiri, you do not want me want to. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worried, yo.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
We need to go back to see that man.
Ooh, I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, but you want to kiss your money goodbye?
I am not going.
Are you sure?
You know what? Maybe you... Did he call you?
Sir, you came back unannounced. I hope all is well.
Good day, sir.
All is not well. Good day. What happened to my daughter? Why did she get into a fight?
Fight?
Into a fight? Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not aware of that.
You should be aware of everything. At least you are her caretaker. You are supposed to keep an eye on her.
Excuse me, sir. What am I, your daughter's bodyguard?
Yes. You are her bodyguard as much as you can. She left the house to see you and came back all bruised, saying she got into a fight. How come you are not aware?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not aware that your daughter got into a fight. Besides, I'm not going to assume the responsibility of watching over your daughter. Sir, it's not my job.
Add it to your SOP. I don't want my daughter to get into a fight again. It will ruin my chances and the reputation of being the king of this kingdom.
Sir.
If my daughter is known to be rascally and I cannot control her, then how do I prove to the people that I can control the entire kingdom?
Excuse me, sir. How's that my fault, and what was I supposed to do?
Abandon all you were doing and give her attention. You could have escorted her home to ensure her safety.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not the right person for this task. I don't have the type of patience it requires.
I don't need patience. All I need is commitment. With commitment, patience will come.
Oh boy. Sir, this job is a lot more tasking than I thought of.
Now listen. I want you to pay Kosi a visit and tell her you are disappointed in her for fighting in public at her age.
Sir, what would that change?
It will show that even though you have strict principles, you still care for her. Do what I said. Do what I said.
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worried, yo. And do the needful. But if I don't get you have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. To clean up, do something.
Give me key.
But this is different.
Honorable, my good friend. Where are you coming from and where are you going?
Which one do I answer first?
One at a time.
Well, I am going around gathering information to know the moves of all the monarchical aspirants to the great throne of Akoko Igbo.
What do you mean by that?
I am just coming from Wakile's house. And he has made a great exposition aimed at tarnishing not just your image, but debasing the traditions of our community.
What are you talking about?
Wakile is hashing a grievous evil against you.
Eh?
Yes.
No. Enter the car. Let's go. Enter the car.
Better.
Have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worried, yo.
That's exactly my point. If I try to do...
Did she call you?
How?
Hi.
I didn't know you were here.
Yes, hi. I'm sure you were too busy to notice me drive in. But I already got myself comfortable with this.
I was told you got into a fight yesterday. Why would you do that?
No.
Don't you care about your family's reputation?
Zedek, please. Okay, you do not have the slightest chance to sound like my father right now. Please.
Alright guys, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure, I got this. If I may ask again, why the hell did you get into a fight?
Zedek, why do you sound like you care all of a sudden?
Kosi, if you think I don't care, then why are you here? What are you doing here?
I'm stupid. That's why I'm here. I don't know what I'm doing. But what I know is that I'm here because I care about you.
If you truly care about me, then you should have thought about me before getting into a fight.
Zedek, how you feel is not important to me because you are not my father.
Well, I'm your friend. I am your... I have no idea what I am to you.
But you just said you're my friend. Come.
No, tell me, honestly, why did you get into a fight? Why? What's the reason for that?
Well, they had it coming, they asked for it. That's what happened.
Baby, take my hand, control me as you will always what I need. Love more, and you go get love more. Where are you? Love more.
Officer.
Chief.
Let me engage you a little. I am a retired Deputy Commissioner of Police.
I see.
Today, I am the CEO of Zoe Real Estates, West Africa Limited. I have shares and investments both in Europe and America. So my source of wealth is not hidden to anyone.
That sounds so interesting, sir.
That accusation, wherever it came from, is baseless. My hands are clean.
Chief.
Yes.
The order is to arrest you and bring you down to the state headquarters, which will eventually take you down to Abuja. That is the order. And it is my duty to follow it to the letter.
Well, resisting arrest is a Class A misdemeanor. I am a law-abiding citizen of this country.
Chief, there is another complaint against you. That you threaten the peace of the community, thereby shooting sporadically into the air and harassing innocent people with your rifle.
Officer, shooting sporadically is the culture of our people, not only in my community.
I see.
When we celebrate, we shoot into the air. I suppose all these are the handwork of Makile.
Chief, I believe I have been so lenient and polite, discharging my duty. Please, can we move? Can we? Officer, arrest him.
Excuse me. Please, read me my rights.
Chief Dr. Vincent Odenanwa, Ozochin Yelugo, one of Apupu Igbo. You are under arrest for violating Section 419 of the Criminal Code of the Federal Republic, thereby committing economic crimes against the public. You are to remain silent, for whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. Shall we proceed?
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worried, yo, and do the needful. But if I can play, you have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this.
You know, Zedek, you're different. Okay, you are different from any man I've been with. Yesterday, after our encounter here, you know, I decided to go to Stone's place and make up with him. But when I got there, I met him with my supposed friend, Lavender. And they were making out. What? So that resulted into a fight because I got angry. The rest of the story, you know.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Listen, Kosi, I truly understand how you feel. And I apologize for judging you. I shouldn't have. I do not have the right to. But I think you should have just walked away. Fighting is not cool. It's not honorable at all. You should have just walked away.
Mac.
Yeah.
If you come into my life, I'm not going to fight again. Okay, yes, I will stop a lot of addictions. I promise you. Okay, all I want is just be in my life, okay? Don't leave me. Because if you do, I will be broken and I cannot take it.
Pussy.
Yeah.
You're a great person, you know that? And listen, I feel so emotional right now, and I don't know why. I'm just... But I promise you that I'll stay around, okay? I'll come around more often, and I promise never to leave you. I'll be closer to you. All right?
All right. Thank you, Mac.
You're welcome.
Okay, so can I hug you? Maybe?
A hug? Sure, of course. Yeah. Just come close. Great.
Baby, take my hand, control me. Love is what I need.
I love you too.
Ichoku. Ichoku. I trust you to take care of my house. Hmm?
Yes, Oga.
Chief, if you don't mind, one of our men can drive with you to the station because you may not be comfortable in our vehicle.
Officer.
Chief.
A prisoner has no time for luxury. I will ride with you in your car.
I see.
Where is the dignity when I am already under arrest? Let's go.
Let's move.
Have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worrying, yo, and do the needful. But if I can have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. This is different. Have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere, but this is different.
Hi. Hi. Remember. Hey. Ha! Chukwu okike abịama. This is an insult of the highest degree. Eh? What did Odnawa do that the police would come and humiliate him like this and cut him away like a common criminal? My Oga has given me an instruction and I will not hesitate to carry out such instruction first on you if you don't leave this place now. Say up, what? Hey! Yeah. Ichie, go home. Ichie, go home now. Hey!
You have big mess to clean up. There are problems everywhere, but this is different. You should be worrying, yo, and do the needful. But if I can have big mess to clean up. Do something. There are problems everywhere.
Odogwu Nwakile. Ofu nwaka ụmụ iri. Agukebo, you have done it. I saw him with my 2 eyes, bundled out of his house like a common criminal.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Makana, Any man that goes to the toilet, if he cheek, and eventually looks at it, what is he trying to get? Will he see money? No.
Mban.
You should go tell baby now, boy. Oria.
Oh,
you should go tell baby. I have shown where he will spend the rest of his days until I am crowned the king of this community. Onye ekwero ekwechitelia. Isi na ide ebe akwa anya be ya ba asiti gi n'anya. Anya mmiri apụọ n'ike.
He who does not respect you in this community, who else will he respect?
That is what I warned him. Do you know that old fool pointed a gun at me, Muma? Odogu ikapara ogu n'anya. Eh?
Wow.
Mwa bụ okeke n'iru obi echi n'iru eji mma pieze.
Agum.
Mazụkwa na achọba agwara akọ na akpa dibịa na ụtụgba igwe bụ arụ na ọbọgwụ na mkpume na anyụ ya na akpa na mụbụ ụtụgbara igwe ọghọ ntụ. Agwa m ya mgbe burugbo na achọ egbugba arụ n'ọkụ ebu na ọghọrọ nkụ. But he did not listen to me. Okay. Now he will become an abandoned property. Ọnụrụ ife nkwu. Nsị anyị ike nakwa anụ ụmụazị ọnụrụ ife nkwu.
Agụ ka ebo.
Dike na-egbu nkọ ma chaaba.
But how did you do it?
Is it not one phone call?
You see that?
One phone call. Ọra ka ọrụ ụsụ.
Mban, nwoke karịrị ibi ya.
Ọrọba achọwa afịa mgbagha ka mgbada ede. A na-ama ọkụ ike ọ dịka ike ete ka ime aka n'azụ na enye ike. Imeli ike ozugbo. I warned him, but he didn't listen. This is the same way it will be for everybody, all the elders who does not respect me. Yes, I will arrest them one by one, and the ones remaining will become my cabinet.
Good.
Including you, Anumewu.
How can you suspect my allegiance?
Yeah, allegiances can shift.
No. Not with me now. I am solidly behind you.
Nya. I'm on about to one week while I'm ifeli. Because we don't know when people change.
I am behind you.
Oye shinani ya birine n'ụwa nyachekwa ana fonka ya. Mageshekwa na negi nodu n'ụwa. If you promise that your allegiance stays with me, then so be it.
I'm behind you.
Okay, so what will you drink? Anchon
Madam, welcome, madam.
Hi. How are you?
Welcome.
You alright?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
What is wrong? Why is your face like that?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Where is my father?
He traveled. He had an emergency, so he had to travel.
He traveled without prior notification. He did not even call me.
Madam, you have to take it easy.
Zedek, do you see exactly what I've been trying to tell you about that old man? He does things at his will without even considering me. I'm his daughter.
Excuse me.
I'm sure he'll call you.
Where's that damn cigarette?
He keeps doing this. Every single time he does this thing to me.
What are you trying to do? Sure you want to do that?
I'm sorry. You said no smoking.
Can I have it?
Baby, take my heart, control me.
Thank you.
Love is what I need.
Smoking causes lung cancer.
Right. It's not good for you.
If what came out from Wakile's mouth had come out from his anus, the whole flies would have been on rampage.
As it is, what do we do? What do we do?
My hands are tied. That boy Wakile is so influential. What he did is a calculated effort to ensure that Odinamwa loses relevance and remains in custody until he becomes king.
Autonomous. Wakile's influence cannot be more than Odinawa, my brother. So why is it better him to eat?
This has now fallen into our hands. To use Ordinary to find solution. Wakile has a Mbulu's spiritual backing. But your brother, Odinamwa, sees every spiritual traditional means as fetish. One wonders why he wants to become king, when he wishes to abolish some of our traditional heritages and rituals.
Oh, Mama, we don't have time for all this analysis. We don't have time. Since Mbulu is backing Wakile spiritually, whom do we go to for spiritual solution? I know too well that my brother Odinawa is innocent.
Indeed he is. No matter the scarcity of meat for consumption, it can never be scarce in the abode of a great Dibia. I know your brother, Odinamwa, must be released.
I hope so.
He must be released.
I hope so.
Tinkle. So you bring your hands up, down, and clap. And then we go 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'm so dumb.
Let's
go. Let's go again.
Let's just do it again from top.
Faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 5, 6.
What the hell did I just do?
You just pause the entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
Yeah. No wonder Oga warned me not to let her know about his whereabouts. In her innocence and happiness. How will she know that her father is in the police custody now, going through a lot?
And then the fruits.
Yeah.
God,
okay,
please,
on slow mo.
help my Oga. Help him.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No, come on now. It's not that difficult. Right. So, what do you want, the cucumber or?
No, bananas. Good. Yeah.
Something told me you were going to go to that banana.
No, I like it.
Couldn't even shock me.
I like it.
Okay, so, you know, ladies, we love our cucumbers. Yes, we do. Me first.
Nice.
Let's see how this purple. Hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Would you like some cucumber as well?
I don't mind.
Yeah? Okay. Oh my God.
Well.
It's nice, just too ripe. Okay, so.
How selfish can you be, Father? Tell me, what responsible man, as exposed as you are, will not check the genotype, blood group, and at least rhesus factor before embarking on a relationship that I will give birth to a child. Now I'm suffering the fate built by your carelessness. You traveled without letting me know. And up till now, you have not deemed it fit to find a way to call me since your number is switched off. I wish this smoke will choke you so you will understand how your nonchalantness chokes me.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
I saw it. Pass it over. I saw it. Can I have it? Can you pass it over?
Please. Okay, I'm just trying to calm down.
Kosi, this is not going to help you calm down. It's only going to cause more problems for you.
My selfish father has abandoned me again, and he has traveled to God knows where. Without calling, no messages.
Kosi, your father did not travel.
So where is he?
Onuma, on whose side are you?
On the side of truth.
Which truth? Huh? I thought you are a core supporter of Mwakili.
On the contrary, no. I am a supporter of honesty.
Which honesty now?
Don't you know that Odinamwa is more competent to be our king, considering the numerous development projects he has brought to the community?
Have you forgotten that I have Odinamwa's record? He married Antonia, but could not take care of her. She now ran away with Dr. Immerse, leaving that wayward girl behind. You see, the police arrested him because he is dubious.
I am surprised, Unowu, that even you can speak negatively of the same Odinamwa, who supported the foundation of your building with 1.5 million when money had value.
He is irresponsible. He could not preserve his wife. He cannot take care of his only daughter. How can he take care of the affairs of the community? Tell me.
Odinamwa's business is defined. Are you now rather going to support Mwakili, whose source of wealth we do not know?
What? Hold on. I'm from Ifiteklan. We don't become king. We make king. We are king makers.
Yes.
We can't be king. So whoever the Amoji presents, I will crown him. Yes. You better be on the right path. Be on the right path.
But we are going to suffer it.
You better follow the right path. Follow the right path.
I leave it to you.
Chief, follow the right path. I won't tell you more than that.
my life has always been from one critical situation to another. And now that I've found a friend, a bosom friend, someone who completes me, my dad has been arrested, putting me through the stress of having to actualize his release.
Kosi, this is not the time to apportion blames. This is the time to put heads together to ensure your father is released. So you need to calm down.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Zedek. You have been so supportive.
You're welcome. You need to calm down. Okay.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will, love is what I need. I'll be more. Yes. I'll be more. And they go, I'll be more. Maria, I'll be more. Love more, and you go give love more. Where are you? Love more.
Happy birthday to you, babe.
Happy birthday to the man after my heart.
Thank you so much. Today is such a memorable day. I have never celebrated my birthday before. So I want to say thank you for this big, huge display of love and kindness. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, if you are ever going to forget today, I want this to be a mark of remembrance. To let you know that Kosi loves you very much. I got this for you. It's your birthday gift.
Kosi. This is the cutest thing anyone has ever done for me. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling. Okay, now let's make a toast and cheers. There you go.
Okay, I don't do alcohol.
Yeah, I know you don't do alcohol. But see this, just a little sip will not kill you, birthday boy. And look, the alcoholic content in this is not even that high, so you'll be fine. Let's go.
Are you sure you want me to do this?
Yeah.
I don't do well with alcohol.
Okay, let's just add a bit to this. There. This is sweet. It's sweet wine. So don't have that look on your face.
All right, what are we toasting to?
To long life.
To what?
To us. Cheers. Cheers. Go ahead.
Nanyelem, no matter how you try to conceal what you're feeling with your smile, I know something is wrong. Please, can you let me know what is going on?
Papa.
Yes, my daughter.
I am losing my husband. Mwakile has a mistress. Emembolu, the priestess and custodian of Ojirike. Papa, she's taking my husband away from me.
How does she want to do that?
He wants to be king, and she's doing everything possible to make it work. Papa, he promised to marry her when he becomes the king and make her his queen while he drives me away.
My daughter,
Papa.
drive you back to this hut you rejected and called dilapidated. Huh? Waka. Anyway, so what do you want me to do?
Papa, I don't know. I don't know. That is why I'm here. Please help me.
Okay. Drop 2,000 naira here.
Papa.
I said 2,000 naira, not 10,000 naira. Well, my daughter, what I will do now, I will appease my mother, Mwadinobi. I will appease her because you reincarnated from her and you rejected her. Thereafter, I will send Mbolima, which is the torrential rain, and the Echiteka to go against anybody who wants to take your position from you. Huh?
Okay, Papa.
Good.
Okay. But Papa, you can add this one in case you need something
I
to add.
said 2,000 naira, nothing more.
Okay, Papa.
I said consider it done. I hope your hands are clean because whosoever is going to equity must go with clean hands.
Papa, to the best of my knowledge, I have not offended anyone in my marriage. You know me, Papa, you know me.
Yes, I believe you. Consider it done.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Papa, you can still keep this one.
No.
In case you need it.
You are my mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I don't want to do too much of the alcohol because I'm not very good with it.
I promise you, Meg, this is not even alcohol. It's just little, tiny, tweeny bit.
All right, I'll just take a little.
Yeah, go. Go. Good.
Okay, one more time.
Good.
I'm done.
Okay, let's have some cake then. Cake? Yes, please. I know how you don't like cake, so see that? Do you like how it tastes?
Yeah, it's nice. Tastes good.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
So let's drink up. Drink up.
I'm taking too much already.
No, you're not. I promise, you're not. Just drink up, birthday boy. No, you cannot be good. No.
I'm already feeling tipsy.
No. You're fine. You're fine. You're
Cozy.
you're good. I promise. You are so good.
I'm not good, trust me. I don't do well.
Okay,
with
just this
alcohol.
cup. Just this. Last cup.
Oh. Okay, I think I've had too much.
I'm just one more, please.
Cozy, I've had too much. I'm already feeling
just
dizzy.
One time. This last time.
All
Please.
right, one more time. Oh. Cozy. I told you. Okay, I need to...
I'm going to help you.
Need to lay down a little bit.
You.
Strong.
Sorry.
It's very strong. My head just... I think I'm getting a headache.
Okay, let's just take your
Lord.
slippers off so you can be a bit more comfortable.
Cozy, I feel like I'm getting a headache.
You feel like you want to have me on top of you?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I feel like this.
Don't worry, I'm here to take care of you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Cozy, stop. Cozy, what are you doing? Stop! Oh, stop! What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just trying to make sure that
Make sure that what? I'm telling you to stop. What are you trying to do? You got me drunk so you can have sex with me?
No, I would never do something like that. I'm just...
Cozy, you were trying to harass me sexually. I told you I don't feel good. I don't do well with alcohol. I told you that. Is that why you brought me here? To get me drunk?
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Listen, I'm getting a headache. I told you I don't want to... Oh, God, I feel so bad.
Sorry.
I told you I don't do well with alcohol. I don't take it. It makes me feel sick. I think I just have to... I think I feel tipsy. I told you I don't do alcohol, buddy.
Meg, where are you going? I'm sorry. Meg, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Meg, I am sorry. I love you. Please.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need.
Madam, are you okay? Hey. Madam, I saw Oga Melky walking like someone who has been blown by the wind. From left to right, left to right. And I came to find out if something is wrong.
Get out.
Hmm?
Get out.
Madam,
Get out! I said get out! Get out!
should I carry the cake?
Get out!
Happy birthday.
Out!
Love more, and you're gonna give love more. Where are you? Love more. From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Really got
Hey, what's up? Alpha. Mike, this one you're not saying anything. Why are you silent? What happened?
This entire game He's exhausted, tired. He's becoming more deceitful than I thought.
And what happened?
I don't wish to continue, man. Listen, sometimes I wonder if Kosi is the one changing me or it's the other way around. Can you imagine? Can you?
Meg, you haven't said anything. Can you calm down and explain to me what exactly really happened? You took alcohol. I mean, your mouth reeks of alcohol.
That's my point. Bro, you know me, man. I don't do alcohol. She pushed me. She forced me into drinking alcohol. To think that she tried to have sex with me.
What?
She forced me sexually.
What are you saying? She wanted to have sex with you?
Against my wish. That's not part of the plan, bro. Come on, listen, I'm tired. I don't want to have anything to do with her again. Let's just go our separate ways, man. That's because I'm tired of this whole game. Everything is coming.
She's calling you.
No, I'm not taking this call, man. I'm not taking it. Just reject it, bro.
Take a rest. Kosi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Melchizedek left his present, his gift at my house.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was hoping you could help me call him so I can hand it over to him.
All right, that's not a problem. Let me quickly tell him that you're here. Okay? Just a minute.
Baby, take my hand, control me. As you love is what I need. I'll be more. And you go be more.
I'm sorry. It said it doesn't want to see you. I should ask you to leave.
Wow. You know, this is his present. I got it for him. I don't know if you can help me give it to him, if you don't mind.
Is that a wise thing to do?
Well...
All right, no problem.
Something happened at the house the other day when Melchizedek came over. And I didn't get the chance to apologize. Please, tell him that I would like to see him so that I can apologize properly. Have you ever been in love with somebody? Do you know what it feels like?
I do. I have been there before, so I understand how you feel.
Please tell him that I love him very much.
All right, you take care of yourself. Okay?
Thank you.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need. I'll be more. And you go, I'll be more. Maria, I'll be more. Love more. And you go, love more. Maria.
You know, love is a feeling you cannot deny. What would I have done without you?
Are you sure?
Yes, now. And where are you going? Huh?
I'm going out to see a friend.
Obim, I want to eat fried yam and egg sauce with freshly prepared fruit juice.
Did you not hear her? Eh? I'm agatize nanti. Mba carpenter lonte na because all generator na since. She said she needs yam and egg sauce with freshly made fruit juice. Get back inside and then make it. Besides, I don't even know this stupid appointment you're having these days. Look at the way you're dressed. As if you're the queen of our Kuku kingdom. Eh?
I wonder where she's possibly going at this minute. If not to go see her numerous boyfriends who keep prying her legs and making her promiscuity valid.
What kind of fruits do you prefer to choose?
A touch of everything you have in the fridge.
This lady is up to something. Oh, I have to send words back to the father so that they will get our divorce fixed. What nonsense. I can't put up with this kind of human being.
No, Obim. You will not do that. Yes. If not, you will create a wrong impression about you. And people will think you cannot take care of you. Wait till you become the crown king of this kingdom. Then you can discard her like a piece of rag.
Wisdom no will kill you. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Of course, I know that I have wisdom. Much more than the wisdom of the gods.
Hey, Chineke.
You see, when you divorce her as the crown king of this kingdom, she would be worthless. And the shame would be impactful.
Hey, come on, give me some sugar. Some sugar.
Love is not described. Love has no shape. It has no form. It's not like an object. Love cannot be seen, but it's always right in front of you. Love is like a candle. It flickers, but it can never die.
Love is whole. And it can make or break life.
Love is in your heart. Love is in your mind. Love is beautiful. Love can be discriminating. Love is something quite bitter, coated with honey. Above all, a lost love will always hurt you. Madam, the only thing that should occupy your mind now is how to find a means to bring Oga back to the house. Because since Oga was taken away, this house has been so empty. So empty without means or how to bring him back. If we can find him and bring him back, only then can we understand what love is all about. Madam, how can I be fine? How can I be fine when this house is obviously empty? Oga's absence in this house has rendered the whole place empty. Secondly, how do you want me to be fine when you have refused to eat the food I have prepared and served for you at the dining downstairs? How can I be fine?
There's someone I need to go and see.
How about the food? You did not eat last night. You've not eaten this morning.
I will eat when I come back.
But the food is...
I will eat when I am hungry.
Oga.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will, love is what I need. I'll be more. And you go, I'll be more. Betrayal, I'll be more. Love more. And you go, give love more. Betrayal, love more.
You know? Oh, my love.
I thought you had an appointment.
I called to postpone until I'm done cooking this food.
Am I sure that you did not poison that food? How am I sure?
Answer him.
Nwakile, if I had wanted to poison you, you would have been long dead. And as for you, remember, do not take my silence for weakness. Nonyelom is not a troublesome person.
Did you see that impudence?
Don't worry. I'll handle that myself. Okay? Come. Come, my love. Now what I keep here. Oh, get it. Sit. Are we going to eat it?
Why not?
Set the table. And Lucia, let me deal with her. Just mobile. I'll be back.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need. I'll be
What is wrong with you, Kosi?
Theophilus, why are you doing this? Please, I just want to go in there and speak with Meg. Let me sort things out with my man. Why are you being so obstinate?
I mean, why can't you understand this? Kosi, he doesn't want to see you. Meg does not want to see you. Can't you take no for an answer?
No! What kind of a stupid no is that? Let me go in and sort things out
He's
with my
not
man.
here! You cannot go inside. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Theophilus,
Hmm?
do you realize that I can charge you for assaulting a woman?
No. Kosi, you cannot do that. You cannot blackmail me with the law. I know the law also. I will charge you for breaking and trespassing. What's that?
Theo, please. See, I know you're a very good man, okay? All I'm asking, in fact, I'm begging. Let me just go in, speak with Meg. 1 minute. 1 minute and I promise I will be out. Please.
Kosi, I don't know why you're making this thing look so difficult. I don't have a problem with you. Okay, you know what? Call him on the phone.
Well, he's not taking my calls.
That's because he's not around.
Meg! Meg, I know you can hear me. And you know I don't deserve this. This is assault that your friend is giving me right now.
Kosi, he cannot hear you. Meg is not available. I don't know why you're shouting. He can't hear you.
Okay. I will sit here and wait for him.
Yeah, you will do what?
I will sit here and wait.
No. You cannot sit here. How can you sit down here? You can't sit here. I'm going out. You have to go. Go back to your house.
Okay. Then I'll sit there. I will sit there and wait for him, even if it means that I have to wait forever. At least this is not your house. This is outside. But you see, you, Theophilus, you are a very wicked man. And it's only God that will judge you.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need. I'll be more. And you go, be more. Maria, be more. Love more. And you go, love more. Maria, love more. Be more. And you go, be more. Maria, be more. Love more.
You know, I like it when I'm touching your hair. And then it makes me happy. Trust me.
And where are you going to?
You need something?
You can go anywhere you want to, but not with that car key.
From what I know about you, you don't know how to drive.
I would ask Makile, my man, to drive me home. Do you have a problem with that?
Did you not hear her? You're looking around like somebody who lost her goat. Eh? She said you can go to wherever you want to go. Apply Okada or what is it called? Keke? Yes. That she wants to use the car.
How dare you say that to Wakile?
I dare. Everything in this house was bought with my own hard-earned money. Did you contribute? Did you contribute? I decide who uses what in this house. Did you hear me? You're saying how dare you? I don't have respect. You don't have respect for others. I decide who uses what in this house. Now if you look at me like that, Maggie's Nanya. Now if you look at Maggie's Nanya now, look at this girl. You're asking me how dare Udara to one wine. Nonsense.
I am actually buying time. Very soon, I shall ask my man Wakile to throw you to the gutters where you belong. Bastard.
Honey, tell me now. Joy, come back na fridge.
Now listen to me, you exalted grasshopper. My Bluetooth is connected to the gods and I communicate with them. When the time is right to expunge you, I will not hesitate to throw you out to the gallows where you belong. Emotional dropout.
Did you talk? Oh, what temerity. Baby. No, this is not happening. I cannot watch this ingrate insult you and share the roof with me. No, it's impossible. See, by the time you are back, your things are outside. Bet me, I will throw her. No, allow me. By the time you are back, your things are outside. Honey, wait. Honey, don't allow me. Huh?
The more days turn to weeks, and weeks turn to months. I will sting her with a venom that takes life. I am a member. I am my revenge is dreaded.
Okay. Over. Mom kiss kwado. Mom kiss kwado. I go say am agoro imo no ego ni enwere imi.
You don't want to go? Eh? You don't want to go, Abi? I don't want to go. Wait, tire. The power house.
Baby, take my heart, control me. As you will love is what I need.
Where are you going to? You don't hear English? He's not there, he's not available.
Hey, let me see for myself now. Is it a bad thing?
Kosi, please, you have to go. He's not there. You have to go. Kosi! Which kind of devil be this one? Kosi! Where are you going?
From
where are you going to? He's not available. Go. This is your house. He's not there. They're not even hear you. It's morning.
Babe, what was it that you were saying over the phone?
I went to my Kizedek's house today.
To do what?
Remember I told you that I really like that boy.
Okay, yeah. So, spill already, my ears are aching. Talk.
Guess what happened?
What happened?
I saw Kosi in the compound.
Okay.
Standing so perplexed and weak at the same time. At the entrance of the compound, for a very long time, refusing to go, which made it impossible for me to see the boy.
What is she doing there?
My sister, I don't know for this Ogbanje.
Small Ogbanje. See, babe, we need to devise a means for you to get back your man. I mean, you deserve him.
I will not rest until that boy becomes mine.
Wakili. No.
No. This bag is 2.5 million naira for the elders. By the time I become the king of this community, I shall give them 1 million naira. More. Bro, when we go New Testament, what on a kalama? Mother de Jimemia. Mother Jigodi Mania. Yejina Metia. I'm glass, I mean, Ramadia for. No, war fashion. War fashion. Share it to the elders. Make sure they get it today.
I will do that. I will definitely do that.
Kowe neme. Makabala kana azane. Oye jiji anakonye.
Okay. I will do exactly that. I will share everything.
Okodi. Okodi no.
Hey. From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Rolling up
Sadek, come. Class, she's gone, no? She's gone. I can't see her. I can't find her anywhere.
Is she gone?
Obviously, she's gone. She was there.
All right, let's go before she reaches.
Okay.
From the first day you took my heart away. I can't believe I'm in love right now. Rolling up Love more, and you go give love more. Where you love more. Oh, be more, and you go be more. Where you oh, be more.
Good afternoon, madam. You came back here for quite a long time now, and you have not even chosen to eat the food I kept for you. Do you want me to warm the food? Okay, madam, tell me what happened. How did it go? How is my Oga? Did anything happen to Oga? Please talk to me. What is the problem?
It's your cool. Whatever happens to me, it's not your business. Okay, because you cannot solve my problem. So get out!
Hey, madam, sorry. I didn't mean...
Get out!
Sorry, ma. Sorry,
Come back here.
Ma? Sorry.
Do you know Immerse Square?
Hmm?
Do you know Immerse Square?
Immerse Square of our own Igbo. Who does not know Immerse Square in this our community? Do you want me to go and buy for you from there? What do you want? I know Immerse Square now.
That's good then. There's a house by the left, right after the square. My man Melchizedek lives there.
That handsome man. Madam, sometimes I used to wonder why we would have a lot of rooms in this house and you people couldn't even at least give him one room. He can sit there at the boss quarter.
Shut up and let me finish.
Madam, he needs to be close to you.
Shut up, Ichoku.
Sorry.
I want you to go there. Go there and tell Melchizedek that I want him to follow you back here. Otherwise, I will do something regrettable.
Regrettable? No, madam, I don't want to lose you. You know the situation that our guy is passing through. In fact, let me go immediately.
Come back here. I'm not done.
Madam, I don't want
Let me finish!
I don't want to lose you. I'm losing Ogo radio. So you're talking about regret.
You shut up, Icho. Now, I need you to make sure you convince Melchizedek to follow you back here. Otherwise, you consider yourself fired.
Huh?
Yes, I will lock my gate. And the only condition that I will open that gate will be that you come back here with him. Okay, because if you don't, just go wherever you want to go because you're not needed here. You don't have a job anymore.
Madam, he has not gotten into that.
Go.
Okay.
Moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Baby, look at me. Rolling up
Oh my God. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of a thing is this? Just what kind of a thing? What did I do? What did I do now that will make this woman to say that I cannot get my job again because of a man that I don't even know how they got to know each other in the first place? God. Oga, you better follow me. Oh.
From the first day you took my heart away, I can't believe I'm in love right now.
Who can be this one?
Who's this?
Hey! My friend, come on, stand up from there. He had like what, eh? Who are you now? What are you doing here?
That's enough, I know him. I know him.
You know him?
Yes. That's Kosi's house help. What are you doing here?
Oga is Madam Kosio.
Okay.
She sent me out of the house and said I must come back to the house with you. Here. She said I should come and pick you. Let's go to the house.
Well, I'm sorry, that's impossible.
Hmm?
Yes, I'm just coming back from the library and I'm tired. I need to rest. Besides, I don't want to see her. So tell her that.
Oga, there's a problem. Oh. Serious problem.
What do you mean there's a problem?
I cannot go back to that house.
Why?
I cannot go back. She told me that I must come back with you, else I will lose my job. You know how difficult it is to get job now in Nigeria. Please, I cannot go back alone. Let's go.
Young man, listen to me. I suggest you go back home. I think she was only threatening you, that's all.
Oh God, that is not a threat. Auntie Kosi does not threat at all. She cannot be threatening me. She emphatically told me that I must come back with you. In fact, as I'm talking to you, she has locked everywhere.
Listen, I said I don't want to see her.
And I'm saying that I've lost my job.
My friend, come.
I need to get into my house, please.
You are the only person.
Hey, you have to go, young man. Go to another compound and mourn the loss of your job there, okay? Like he just said. Zedek is not going anywhere with you. So, Halile. Hi, my friend.
Easy now. Take it easy.
My friend, let me tolerate this cat now.
Calm down. Just politely ask him to leave. Don't assault him. Stop.
Politely tell me to live together. Let's live together.
Live to... My friend, come on. Carry yourself, come up here.
I need to get into my house, please.
I'll lose my job, bro.
I need to get into my house, bro.
I'm okay.
But you locked the door.
Yes, I locked the door.
Where the key be?
I've been giving you now.
You didn't give me the key.
No, I gave you the key now when you were making call. You were making call. I gave you the key.
Nonyelu, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where are you coming from?
Based on my discussion with you the other time,
Yes.
I have been going to meet my father for due consultations.
Beautiful. That's a beautiful thing to do.
Thank you.
Do you know that Mwakile, your husband, came to lobby the elders at the council to crown him king, now that Odnanwa is nowhere to be found? He even came with Emembolu, who was sitting in the car throughout as the meeting lasted.
Heaven and earth will judge Imembolu for trying to take my husband away from me.
That's right.
Life will be snatched out of her. And for making me go through this, may she eat from the dust of the earth.
I am solidly behind you, my daughter.
Thank you, Ichie.
Take heart.
Thank you.
It shall be well.
Ichie.
The gods are with us.
Ichie.
Don't worry, we shall triumph.
Thank you.
Go on.
You can only do your best, pray and think the best, but slow and steady win the race. You can only do your best, pray and think the best, but slow and steady win the race. Ukunaga wara 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 wara. Ayanele zam 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 na fire. You cannot change the hand of mindful of whatever you do on earth. Nothing is new. Nothing is new. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. If I go banana, if I get it right, your word is not different. Is it from evil action? Nothing is new.
Young man. Young man. You're still here. I thought you've gone. What are you still doing here?
How can I go?
What do you mean?
No, tell me, how can I go? I went home and my madam, Kosi, sent me packing. In fact, she has already locked the door, telling me that I cannot come back to the house except I come back with Oga Melky. As I'm talking to you now, our gate has been padlocked against me. That I cannot go anywhere. How can I go if not to carry Oga Melky to my mother?
This is serious. I mean, this is no longer a joke. Look, young man, please, you have to go. Okay? You have to go back to your house. I mean, your madam is not a devil. Please, this place is not safe. Wait. Please go back to your house. I said, go now, leave. Help you and do what?
You need to help me. I am homeless and jobless. My madam has padlocked the house, saying that I cannot come back except with Oga Melky. The only way I can get back to that house is if only you will help me and get Oga Melky for me. Then both of us will go to the house together.
What's that your name again?
My name is Ichoku, the son of
Ichoku. You don't get it, do you? Melchizedek is not going to that house with you. Let it sink. Oh yeah, please. You have to go. Hey, you have to go. Please, you have to go back to your house. You can't stay here.
Man has nowhere to lay his head. I am homeless.
Don't let me come outside and see you here again. Your madam lucky. My friend, carry yourself. Come on for this place. Madam lucky.
This is the downfall of you. No work. No place to lay my head. And no other help.
Love more, and you go be love more. Where are you? Love more. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me. Love is what I need. I'll be more. I'll be more. And you go be more. Maria, I'll be more. Love more. And you go be love more. Maria, love more. Love more, and you're gonna give love more. Where are you? Love more. From the moment I set my eyes on you, my life never remained the same. Obi more. Love more. And you gon' get love more. Where ya? Love more. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me as you will. Love is what I need. Obi more. Obi more.
Zedek, why are you torturing me? Do you really have to block my line too? Please, forgive me and come back to me. I will never let you slip off my hands again. I'm so sorry. I will never make sexual attempts on you again. Please, Zed. My God. I'm falling genuinely in love with you. And this can be so hurting.
Obi more. And you're gonna be more. Where ya? Obi more. Love more. And you're gonna get love more. Where ya? Love more. Oh my heart, I have given you
Madam.
my heart. Please take it, it's all yours.
Madam, good morning. I want to come inside since last night.
Okay. You wait for me. Wait for me, I'm coming here. Wait! Since you have refused to listen, just wait, okay? Since you have refused to listen, I will humiliate you. That's what you want.
Love.
Ichoku, I will humiliate you today. You want to be humiliated, Abi?
And you're gonna be more. Where ya? Obi more. Love more. And you're gonna get love more. Where ya? Love more.
You
Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me as you will. Your love is what I need. Obi more. Obi more. And you're gonna be more. Where ya? Obi more. Love more. And you're gonna get love more. Where ya? Love more. Obi more. And you're gonna be more. Where ya? Obi more. Love more, and you're gonna be love more.
What's the meaning of this? Mayalum.
My husband.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I told you that what I wanted to eat this morning is pounded yam. So what happened?
I am sorry, but it is too early.
You're stupid. Are you now telling me what to eat in my own house? You're the one giving me the timetable and what type of food I have to eat in my own house. Are you mad?
I'm sorry, my husband, but the truth is, I am having cramps and discomfort. I'm in so much pain. That was why I couldn't do what you wanted. Don't be offended, please.
You see? You see? You see? You see why Bolu is the best? Because she would not present this litany of excuses. My happiness matters. And she will bring a solution that will bring my happiness.
My husband, please understand with me. Comparison right now is not necessary.
Then do what you're supposed to do. Do what you're supposed to do. Follow your obligations and deliver them. If you want to keep living in this house with me. Get out with this thing and make me pound the yam now before I pound you like the yam. Are you stupid? Imagine her telling me it's too early. Are you the one eating it? How did I even get to marry this thing? How? Me? Okay, so if I become a king now, this will come and hey, hurry up! Well, anyway, I can make an game and ball and touch yours.
Zedek.
Can you say what you have to say? I have something important to do.
I'm dying, Zedek. Basically has no longevity. Zedek, I want to enjoy the last few days of my life. And I want it to be memorable.
Oh, my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it.
I am so sorry for the last time.
Baby, take my heart, control me.
I love you.
Your love is what I need. I'll be more.
That is what you said.
That is what I know.
I'll be more.
You see, this love is like a living thing growing inside of me. I do not care if you don't love me in return. Okay, this love that I have for you is strong enough to sustain both of us. Okay, even if you don't love me in return, you just allow me show it.
Kosi. I am in a state of confusion. Because I have come to love you too. And it completely breaks my heart.
From the moment I set my eyes on you, I never remained the same.
Why does it have to break your heart? Why?
Loving you wasn't part of the plan.
From the first day you took my heart away, I can't believe
I am not supposed to fall in love with you. I am not supposed to truly love you. It wasn't part of the plan.
Oh, be more, and you go, be more, where I am, oh, be more. love more. And you go give love more. Where you love more. Oh my heart, I have given you my heart. Please take it, it's all yours. Baby, take my heart, control me. As you love is what I need. I'll be more. I'll be more. And you go.
What we're talking about is your father.
All right, Auntie. I do not have any money to give you to get a lawyer for him. And you already know that I don't know my father too well to know who his lawyer is.
I understand your anger. Please, but you have to take it easy. We cannot abandon your father in there for long. Else the world will laugh at us.
Listen, I'm sorry to interfere. But I think we need to put heads together to ensure your father comes out. Yes. Besides, we've been very insensitive about him. Please.
My dear, did you hear him?